Hello guys, this video I'm going to show you how to trace your customer purchase history in Woocommerce. Technically this is very useful because if you want to know which customer is your loyal customer, and then maybe you can offer them a special deal. After you install the plugin, the first thing you need to do is go to the setting tab. And then this is the result per page by default. And then right now I want to show you the live preview. So this one, the admin session, I have to choose yes. Default is no. And then save user IP address and leave it to default. And then hide user with no order, leave it to default. Show bots, this one also leave it to default. Okay. So I save the button. After I save the button, I already created a coupon just now, 100% off coupon. So let's proceed. Let me add something into chart, and then I go to the category breadfruit, and then I choose another one and add to chart, and then I view chart. So right now, just now I use the coupon, 100% off coupon just now to proceed. So right now I choose the free shipping. I proceed with checkout. Right now what I want to show you is okay, the order. I want to make sure the order already kicked in. Okay, from few minutes ago. So the order already in. So what I want to show you is the live section. You see this live section. This plugin will record the user flow. Just now you see this one, I land on the fruit category, and then I add to chart which item, and then I go to the chart page, and then I go to the checkout page, and then I make my order, and then the order received, the order number, you see this one 6279, and then 6279. So everything will be recorded. So just now, if in the setting tab, if you want to record the bot section, right now this one, if you click yes, if you have any bots here, Google bot or the Yahoo Spider, this plugin will also record the bot is crawling which page, which category. Quite useful. And then another thing I like the most is the site pages section. From here, the statistic will tell me that which page have most sections. So I know that which product category sell the most, which product sell the most. Now I would like to show you how to check the customer history. Just now you see this one, this demo site. Actually I make a few purchase for just to preview the system in my previous video. So you can see I made an order on April 25th. And then right now I just need to click on this one. Then here you will see a button view other order. You click on that, it will show you everything. You see this one, April 25, I already make one purchase. So this is quite useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and then let me know if anything else I can help you. Okay, thank you guys.